Hello and welcome back to another video. Hopefully the last video was okay. Sorry I forgot to turn on my mic. We are at the same spot with the same friends, and my sister unfortunately won't be joining us today, but let's see if we can catch some fish. See you guys down there. Okay, so we've made it down to the spot. I have a different rod this time. It's a little bit heavier of a rod. It's meant for a little bit bigger fish, but that's okay. Right over in here is where I've caught fish before from the last video, and back in there. My same friend, as I told you, Maddox, will be coming. And I'll show you my baits and let's see if we can catch some fish. Okay, so the bait I will be using for today are these gulp, little like maggot looking things. Mainly I'll use these, and then if I switch to something else I'll show you guys, but this is the main bait that seems to work pretty well. Let's see if we can catch some fish. Okay, here we go. First cast. Let's go onto this side, see if we can catch something first cast. Okay. What had happened? What was it? Okay, real first cast. Here we go. Oh. Someone eat it. Someone eat it. Got him, finally hooked up to a fish. Let's see, what is it? What is it? Whoa, creek chub. Creek chub, creek chub, creek chub. You guys were wondering what was in the last video? This is the first fish I caught, called a creek chub. These fish. Oh, there we go. Creek chub right there. Throw him back. And he swam off. Nice. There we go. Creek chub to start off the day. There we go. Now we're going to catch more fish. Monkey off our backs. There we go. Got one. Number 2 of the day, hopefully right here. Let's see, what is he? Oh, it's another creek chub. Little bit smaller creek chub. There's a lot of creek chubs in here. I know there's also a green sunfish, but it's another creek chub right there. Hopefully we can get a green sunfish. There he goes. Soon. Because I know there's some decent sized green sunfish in here because I've caught a couple. Oh, got another one. That's a green sunfish. There we go. I was so happy because I don't know if you in the water there's this big rock, and there's a little bit of a like grotto that it creates, and I was thinking that there would be a boss of the grotto, and he came out after I saw a bunch of little guys pecking at it, and then he just comes out and is like, it's mine, and he eats it. There we go. Swam right back to his little hole. Rebait, and let's catch some more fish. Okay, there we go. So my friend Maddox and his father are coming. Let's keep fishing. Let's see if we can get 2 more for me and at least one for Maddox on video, and then we'll see if we can successfully get that goal. Maddox got one! Yeah! Maddox has got one! Nice, Maddox. Bring it over to the camera. Let's get it on film. See if I can just double him up real quick. Look, Maddox has got a creek chub. Okay. Well, thank you for watching. Let's see. Well, we'll see you guys in the next video.